Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kick up. You will click on settings, then we'll go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Kik here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.